Alright you guys, in my bowl I have 1 pound of large shrimp. We're going to season the shrimp with half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of chili powder, a quarter teaspoon of cumin, then season with salt and pepper to your taste. I'm using half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Last, I'm drizzling 1 tablespoon of olive oil all over the shrimp, then I'm mixing everything together. Okay, so once the shrimp is very well tossed together, I'm going to place the cover over the bowl. Then I'm going to set the shrimp a delicious coleslaw topping for the shrimp tacos. I'm tossing 2 cups of coleslaw into my large mixing bowl. Next, I'm adding some vegetables that I've already gone ahead and chopped up. I finely diced about a quarter cup of red onion. I also chopped up a quarter cup of cilantro. You can use parsley if you want. And I finely diced a whole jalapeno pepper. Make sure you remove all the seeds from your pepper because those are very spicy, okay guys? Go ahead and toss everything into the bowl. Then we're going to add the juice of a whole lime. Once you're done squeezing in the lime juice, go ahead and add about a tablespoon of olive oil, then season with a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. So in order to balance the acidity from the lime juice we added, we're going to add half a tablespoon of honey to give the coleslaw a nice taste. I'm going to mix everything together very well, then place the taco sauce for the shrimp tacos. In a small bowl, I'm combining 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 of a cup of sour cream, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon spoons of lime juice, and half a tablespoon of sriracha. Go ahead and mix everything together, and this sauce is so good, it's a great sauce for tacos. Alright, so once your sauce is done, just add the shrimp. Arrange the shrimp in a single layer, then cook them for 2 minutes on one side. Turn the shrimp over, then cook them for another 2 minutes on the other side. Make sure you don't overcook your shrimp, okay guys? Otherwise they'll come out dry and chewy. We want juicy, succulent shrimp. We're looking for this beautiful golden brown color on the shrimp. The shrimp smells really good. Once fully cooked, just go ahead and set them aside for later. Alright, so I've brought together everything we need to assemble the tacos. I have the shrimp here, the coleslaw, the taco sauce. I also sliced some avocados and tomatoes for extra toppings. And I also have some cheese. I'm using feta cheese, but you can use your favorite cheese topping. You're also going to need some tortillas. I'm using flour tortillas, but you can use corn if you like. So to assemble, you're going to place a few shrimp onto your tortillas. I like to start with a little bit of shrimp on the bottom, then I add more after I add the toppings. Add the coleslaw, top with some sliced avocados, tomatoes. I'm topping with some more shrimp and a sprinkle of cheese. Last, we're going to drizzle the sauce all over the tacos. You can add as much as you want. I think the more the better. And these are ready to be enjoyed. Before I enjoy these, I like to squeeze some more lemon juice over them. You guys, these shrimp tacos came out really good. The flavor is amazing. If you guys would like to make these shrimp tacos, check the